Hey, friends. Rebecca here with Books and Brew and Authors Allies. I hope you are having a great week. I just wanted to jump in here and tell you that the Multiverse portal is open. What? So, if you sometimes feel like your superhero cape is just a hoodie and your magic wand is just a pen, and your crown is sometimes feeling a little crooked, join me in the multiverse. It's totally free. It's my latest summit, and I am going to lead you through the portal to find your best marketing plan across all timelines. You don't need to do everything. You just need to do what's best in your timeline right here, right now. So grab your magic wand, put on your hoodie, superhero cape, find the linky link below, and come join me. There's no cost to attend. And this is seriously, I'm having so much fun. There's a community, there's workbooks, lots of fun to be had, some really amazing speakers. Go, come on, scoot, go along, click, click, click. I'll meet you in the portal. See you soon.